Many times we have conversations with manufacturers today that may be receiving model-based definition, but they're converting those 3D model-based definition files into 2D for consumption on the shop floor for their manufacturing folks to use, right? That is not the best course of action. And in CCAT's digital manufacturing pathway, we showcase how manufacturers can receive 3D and stay in 3D and be able to use it across their manufacturing floor. What happens in our training classes? We really try and take a hands-on educational approach to much of our training. Meaning we start with software tools. Students can gain hands-on exposure to the software tools that are used in digital manufacturing environments today. And then they'll come into our automation nexus where I am today and gain hands-on with hardware tools, for example, our Haas mills here. So we have a 3-axis and a 5-axis Haas mini mill where students can actually take the code that they produced on the computers and implement it and actually cut a part on our mills, allowing us to see that connection from software to hardware and see the best practices moving forward. In terms of software, we have many software suites that help us with computer-aided machining and how we consume that model-based definition. A great example is the Siemens NX software suite that allows us to do what we call feature-based machining that can consume the features on the model, as well as the model-based definition PMI, product and manufacturing information, to help us automate or semi-automate much of our programming. We also utilize third-wave systems software tools that allows us to do machining simulation and optimization of those machining parameters. My name is James Brino. I'm CCAT's Curriculum and Training Manager and a Senior Technical Trainer in our Digital Thread Lab. I lead our technical training team here at CCAT that advances the technology and technology adoption processes for manufacturers across the Northeast region and beyond. To learn more, go to ccat.us/training.